can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My, can't touch this. The off season gets so long, makes me bored all day long. But thankfully, I've got a music team to help me rhyme and keep the beat. I'm still a kid, even though I'm grown. A Superman homeboy in Orlando, and I'm known as such. And this is my team. You can't touch this. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living. You can't touch this. Look into my eyes, man. You can't touch this. Yo, let me bust some Sir Charles lyrics. You can't touch this.
Barkley, saying this thing. Like the Ray Ball, but I know he can sing. Donuts, I like to eat when my boy D. White is kicking his feet. And he can still ball. Cape on, lost some shots and Superman saying that. He's not terrible, not terrible. Now he's got a grin to fall back on. Cause the kids I clutch, and that's what you can't touch. I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school's in, sucker, can't touch this. Guess who it is? The governor.